Have you noticed your skin aging faster than it should? Dryness, fine lines, sagging, even when you're taking care of yourself? What if I told you the real reason might not be on your skin, but inside your gut? Hi, my name is Sophia, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Neotonics, a revolutionary supplement that's changing the way Americans fight skin aging, starting from within. But first, a quick and important warning. Neotonics is only sold through the official website. Be careful with fake links or external offers. The only safe place to get it is through the link in this video's description. So what exactly is Neotonics and how does it work? Neotonics is a powerful 2-in-1 formula designed to support your gut microbiome and, as a result, promote skin renewal and cell turnover. It contains a unique blend of natural ingredients, including babchi, fenugreek, lion's mane, and inulin, all clinically researched and produced in FDA-approved facilities. Here's why that matters. The health of your skin is directly linked to your gut. When your digestion and microbiome are out of balance, your skin can suffer. Neotonics helps restore that balance from the inside out. Users of Neotonics report major improvements like smoother, firmer skin with fewer wrinkles, improved digestion and reduced bloating, faster cell regeneration, a natural glow without needing filters or heavy creams, more energy and better overall wellness. And the best part? It's 100% natural and non-GMO with no side effects. Taking it is super easy. Just one gummy a day is all it takes. Consistency is key. Most people start noticing visible results within 30 to 60 days, with optimal benefits in 3 to 6 months. Thousands of people across the country have already made Neotonics part of their daily routine. Emily, 49, said she hasn't seen her skin this radiant since her 30s. Thomas, 57, said even his digestion improved, and his skin now looks clearer than ever. Still not sure? Don't worry. Neotonics is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with the results, you get a full refund. No risks, no stress. But here's the thing. Stock is running low. The best-selling kits of 3 and 6 bottles come with free shipping and deep discounts, but they can sell out fast. Your skin won't wait, and neither should you. Click the link in the description now and go straight to the official website to secure your order. Encapsulate USA, health on another level, real results.